Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I love walking, but when it's dusk and getting darker, it can be a little bit treacherous. So why not go with an awesome light like this one? This is by Fokia Kunbio, and this crossbody light makes me feel like I am a lot safer when I'm out walking. It really could not be any simpler to use this crossbody light. It has a light in the front and in the back. They very easily turn on by clicking on a button, and there's a button on both sides. I really like that it's completely rechargeable, so I don't have to worry about either the light just dying on me or having to buy batteries. Rather, you just use the cord that it came with and recharge these lights. The lights have three different features. There's a fast blink, a slower blink, or just a steady light on. You can see even on the darkest of nights, this provides really good lighting so that you can feel safer when you're outside. It also has a pocket so that you can zip in your phone and your ID, whatever you need to take with you. It's actually a very roomy pocket considering that it looks really slim, but it zips shut so that everything will stay nice and sturdy inside. It has a clip at the bottom as well, so if you carry your keys with you, you'll be able to keep them with you, and everything will stay nice and secure thanks to that nice heavy-duty plastic clip. I love being able to have these lights because it makes me feel like I can still walk even as it's starting to get darker, and I know that I will be nice and safe. Even if you're walking at a really fast pace or running, you can completely adjust this so that it will stay firmly in place while you're outside. This is such an awesome, really innovative design, very easy to use, and I love that it's rechargeable. But that's just my point of view.